Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been close to 7 months since I bought my 2025 Aprilia RS457 and today the bike is due for its second service. During March month, I clocked close to 1000 kilometers and gave my bike for first service. I was really satisfied with the service from JMB Aprilia Service Center. Now when it comes to second service, either you have to give it in 6000 kilometers or in 6 months. I have clocked only 3062 kilometers in this past 7 months because the bike was in Aprilia Service Center for almost 2 months, so I have driven it only for less kilometers. Anyways, the service interval has almost arrived, so I just thought of dropping the bike at the Aprilia Service Center for the second service. Now without any delay, let's get started. First service bill was around 4000 for my RS457 and for second service I'm expecting it to be less than 5000 rupees. I'm going to inform to the Aprilia Service Center people to exclude the chain cleaning and chain lubing work because it will come around 800 or 900. For that price I can get a chain lube and chain cleaning spray from Amazon and I can do it from my end. The service center is located very close from my place. It's hardly a 5 minutes drive from here and I have to take a lift and I'll be reaching the Aprilia Service Center. The time is almost 12:24, so they will not be able to give the bike on the same day. So I'm going to drop the bike at the service center today and I will take it out tomorrow. Hello guys, yesterday afternoon I gave my RS457 for second service and today afternoon I got a call from JMB Aprilia Service Center stating that the service has been completed. I have the bill of the second service for my 2025 Aprilia RS457 along with me. Let me quickly tell you what they have changed and how much they have charged for it. Starting off with the oil filter, they have charged 1184 rupees. And for packaging they have charged 7 rupees. For engine oil they have charged 1760 rupees. The engine oil which they have used in second service is Gulf VA Superbike FS oil. During the first service they used the Castrol Power 1 Racing 40 oil that costed around 1850 rupees, but in second service they used Gulf VA Superbike oil and that came around 1760 rupees. For consumables they have charged 118 rupees. Since I asked them not to do chain cleaning and chain lubing, I have saved 550 rupees under additional charges. For chain lubing they will be charging 350 rupees and for chain cleaning they will be charging 200 rupees. So overall 550 rupees has been saved under additional charges. The overall tax for all these spares is 546 rupees. The last time when I gave my bike for first service they charged 700 rupees for tax. Now it has been reduced to 550 rupees. So the overall bill is 3069 rupees. The first service cost of my RS457 is 4070 rupees. Now it has been reduced by 1000 rupees and the overall cost for the second service of my 2025 Aprilia RS457 is 3070 rupees. Let me quickly turn on the bike and we will take it out for a short spin. The bike feels really smooth and I'm satisfied with the second service from the JMB group. I think the second service cost of Aprilia RS457 is comparatively less than the Kawasaki Ninja 500 because for Ninja 500 Kawasaki would easily charge somewhere between 4000 to 5000 rupees for second free service. Few of the RS457 owners told me that they are facing some power drop issues after their second service, but the co-riders from my ride group who has clocked 6000 8000 kilometers on their RS457 hasn't faced any issues till now. But anyways, I will just try to monitor the performance of my bike in future and in case of any issues I will let you guys know for sure. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any doubts regarding the second service of the Aprilia RS457, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you guys. See you guys in another video very soon. Till then, ride safe, wear helmet and take care.